We're following some breaking news now surrounding former President Donald Trump's taxes and Congress's demand to see them. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams joins us now with the latest on this. Pete, what do we know?
Well, this is another setback for Donald Trump's efforts to keep his financial records out of the hands of other people, especially Congress. A federal judge has ruled that the House Oversight Committee can get records from Mr. Trump's accounting firm, Mazars, but that the committee can't get everything that it wanted because there has to be some deference given to a former president. Now, this is a long-running legal saga that began 2 years ago. It ultimately went up to the Supreme Court, which rejected Mr. Trump's claims that his documents were beyond the reach of Congress, and they sent the case back to the lower courts. The Committee on Oversight issued a new subpoena in February for these documents, and the judge today has said that they can get some or most of what they want. Now, they wanted three categories of information. Number one, about whether Mr. Trump was meeting his obligation to disclose his finances. That's what all federal employees have to do. The judge said the committee didn't show a strong enough argument about why it needed to get his documents and couldn't rely on other documents for that. The second was documents related to Mr. Trump's rental or long-term lease of a federal building here for the big Trump Hotel in Washington. The judge said the committee can have all of that it wanted. And the third category was whether the president was violating the Constitution's ban on what are called foreign emoluments, payments or financial benefits from foreign countries. The judge said the committee wanted documents going all the way back to 2011, but he didn't become president, and the constitutional provision didn't kick in until 2017, so he narrowed it to just those 2 years. Now, Mr. Trump's lawyers can certainly appeal, and given their track record here about how they've fought this every step of the way, I suspect they will. But it does seem like their prospects for winning now after the Supreme Court rulings are greatly reduced.